Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix games or Steam games that crash without any error messages at all. Let's begin. So right now I want you to open your Steam client and select a particular game in your library. Alright, let's just say Resident Evil 4. That's been crashing a lot due to several factors. So go to the game itself, right click, properties. I want you to go over here on installed files and click on verify integrity of game files. Once you've clicked this, it will actually verify if there are missing game files and if some of them are incorrectly installed, then it will show in here that there's going to be a progress bar, and once it is complete, it will tell you that some files were actually missing and Steam will reacquire them and download them. And you will see the progress over here, just like downloading and installing the Steam game. It will show in here how long it will take for the download process to complete. It should not be long though, but once it's done, you can go ahead, restart your Steam client, and it should definitely fix those games you are having random crashes about. So that's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.